Chef Freddy here from Fantasy Springs with my tip of the week. This week I'm going to show you how to make Tuna Tataki, a simple sushi dish that you don't need any technical sushi skills whatsoever. Everybody can do this one. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take some good sushi grade ahi tuna and we're going to cut it into like a 1 inch by 3/4 inch thick, 8 inches long, what I call a tuna plank. And before we coat it, we're going to cut some little slices in it. This is going to make it easier and give you your marks later after we sear it and slice it. Next, on a flat plate, we're going to make a sesame seed, ginger, and little cracked pepper coating. And it's going to be nice on a nice flat plate so that we can roll our tuna plank around and get it nicely coated. So first put down your sesame seeds. Next, you're going to take your grated ginger, sprinkle that throughout so you get a nice even amount throughout the sesame seeds. Then a few pinches of ground black pepper and just a little bit of kosher salt. Move that around a little bit, make it nice and even. Let's take our tuna and roll it in the sesame seed mixture. Just coat it nice and even. You don't have to overcoat it. Get a good nonstick pan on the stove, nice and hot. A little peanut oil, very high burning point. The idea here is we want to just sear that tuna just a little bit, but it has to stay very rare on the inside. So we're just going to sear those seeds right on, get that off, and let it cool to room temperature. Now for the dressing for this tuna tataki, you want to take a big tablespoon of fine chopped shallots, about a half a tablespoon fine minced ginger, nice pinch of black pepper, about a 1/3 cup of lime juice, about a 1/3 cup of soy sauce. I use the low sodium. Slowly drizzle in a little olive oil. Time to slice the tuna. Now try to find those pre-cut slots you made earlier. Okay, now let's take our ginger soy dressing, stir it a little bit before, and drizzle it down and over. And serve some extra dressing on the side too. All that stuff is wonderful together. And there you have it, Tuna Tataki. I'm Chef Freddy from Fantasy Springs, and I'll see you next time. Forget about it.